Is your MetaQuest refusing to connect to the internet? It is incredibly frustrating when you are ready to jump into a multiplayer match, but your headset just won't find the signal. Don't worry. I am going to show you exactly how to fix your connection and get you back into the game right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you solve those annoying wireless glitches in record time. Most MetaQuest Wi-Fi issues happen because of signal interference, mismatched security settings, or a simple software hang in the internal wireless card. These headsets are sensitive to network congestion and often need a little nudge to sync back up with your router. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Toggle the Wi-Fi switch in your headset. Open your quick settings and turn the Wi-Fi icon off. Wait 5 seconds and turn it back on to force the Quest to refresh its search for local networks. Step 2. Restart both your headset and your router. Unplug your router for 30 seconds and restart your Quest. This clears the temporary cache and resets the handshake between your devices. Step 3. Forget the network and reconnect. Select your Wi-Fi name in the settings and click Forget. Re-enter your password carefully to ensure there are no typos or outdated credentials saved. Step 4. Connect to the 5 GHz band. If your router has 2 separate names, always choose the one labeled 5 GHz. It is much faster and more stable for VR than the crowded 2.4 GHz band. Step 5. Move closer to your router. VR headsets have smaller antennas than a laptop or phone. Try to play in the same room as your router to avoid signal drops caused by walls or furniture. Step 6. Disable your phone's hotspot. Sometimes the Quest gets confused if it sees a saved hotspot from your mobile device. Turn off your hotspot to ensure it focuses only on your main home network. Step 7. Check your date and time settings. If your Quest has the wrong time, it cannot verify security certificates, and the Wi-Fi will show as connected but with no internet. Set the time to automatic in the system menu. Step 8. Change your DNS to 8.8.8.8. In the advanced Wi-Fi settings, switch from DHCP to static. Change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary to 8.8.4.4 for a more reliable connection. Step 9. Turn off MAC address filtering. Some routers block new devices by default. Log into your router settings on a computer and ensure the Quest is not on a blocked list. Step 10. Reset your network settings in the mobile app. Open the MetaQuest app on your phone and navigate to your headset settings. Select the Wi-Fi menu and choose to forget all networks to start with a clean slate. Here's a pro tip for the smoothest experience. If you are using your Quest for PC VR streaming, try to keep the 5 GHz band exclusively for your headset. Disconnect other phones or tablets from that specific band to give your Quest all the available bandwidth. If you face any difficulty getting your MetaQuest connected, please leave a comment below. I check them regularly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these solutions got you back online, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. Your connection is solid and you are ready to play. I will see you in the next one.